I is equal to what? E upon R. Current is equal to applied EMF upon resistance. So E is equal to what? E is equal to N B A omega sin omega t upon R, or I is equal to I naught sin omega t. What is I naught? I naught is equal to NBA omega upon R is maximum current in I naught is called maximum current in circuit बच्चों. So I can write I naught is equal to NBA omega upon R is maximum current in circuit. So I is equal to I naught sin omega 2 pi upon capital T into small t. Pay attention. T and I. T is equal to 0. T is equal to T by 4. T is equal to T by 2. 3T by 4 and T. It will be 0. T by 4 means sin pi by 2 will be I naught. Again 0. Minus I naught and 0. If we plot a graph, the graph will be of this shape. That is 0. This is T by 4. Boys T by 2. Girls, this is T by 4 and T. This side we are taking T. This side we are taking I. So this is what? I naught, and this is what? Minus I naught. So you are going to observe that current is going to reverse its direction after equal interval of time. Current is going to reverse its direction after equal interval of time. Also the magnitude of current is changing continuously. Such a current whose magnitude changes continuously and reverses its direction after equal interval of time, dear students, is called alternating current. That current whose magnitude changes continuously, reverses its direction periodically, is called alternating current. So the current whose magnitude changes continuously and it reverses its direction periodically, students, is called alternating current, that is AC. We shall represent alternating current by this symbol. This is the symbol, students, of alternating current. So always remember that when this source, बच्चों, this is the source of induced EMF. When a coil rotates in uniform magnetic field, then in the current, in the circuit, alternating EMF is produced. When such an alternating EMF is connected across resistance, or the current produced will also be alternating. The equation of the current is I is equal to I naught sin omega t. That what is I naught? I naught is written in place of NBA omega upon R. So I is equal to I naught. Sin I have replaced omega by 2 pi upon capital T small t. Plot the graph between I and T. The graph will be a curve as shown before you. You are going to see the magnitude of the current is changing continuously and reversing its direction. Dear students, such a current is called alternating current. Remember that in India, frequency of AC is 50 Hertz. At 50 Hertz, omega is equal to 2 pi nu is equal to 2 pi into 50 is equal to 100 pi radian per second, or omega is equal to 314 radian per second. So dear students, remember that if you are given frequency of AC to be how much? 50. So you can replace omega by what? 314. If frequency is given 50, you can replace omega by what? You can replace omega by 314. I think should be clear to each and every child better.